In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit services in your Fresha dashboard, ensuring a seamless experience as you manage your business offerings. Editing services is a fundamental task to keep your business running smoothly and efficiently, and it's essential that you're comfortable with every step. So, let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is the central hub where you can manage all the various aspects of your business profile. It's designed to give you easy access to the tools you need, so let's make sure you're using it to its full potential. On the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen, where you'll see a menu. One of the options here is the catalog, which can be easily identified by its book-like icon. This is where you'll manage and organize all the services you offer. Click on it to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll notice another layer of options on the left side of the screen. Here, you should either see or need to click the Service menu. This specific section is the key to viewing all the services that you currently offer. It's like a digital showroom of your business offerings, making it easy for you to keep everything updated and in perfect order. Take a moment to browse through your list of services. It's important to be familiar with this area, as regular updates and edits are crucial. Once you locate the service you intend to edit, look for the three little dots next to the listing. These dots are your gateway to various options related to the service. Clicking on them reveals a drop-down menu where you should select Edit. Now, you're in the editing phase. Here is where the magic happens, allowing you to fine-tune all the vital details. You'll find sections to modify basic information about the service, such as the name and description. Pricing is another critical area. Ensure that the cost is accurately represented to avoid any misunderstandings with clients. Duration is equally important since it impacts scheduling. Don't forget to check the location details, especially if you offer services in multiple places. You also have the option to assign team members to each service and specify the resources required to execute it smoothly, ensuring every appointment is well supported. Once you've made all the necessary changes, take a moment to review everything. Accuracy is key, and it helps prevent issues later on. When you're satisfied with the edits, simply head to the top of the screen and click Save. This final step locks in all your changes, and you're done. And there you have it. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you can keep your service offerings fresh and appealing to clients, helping your business to grow and thrive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other guides on optimizing your fresh